Hello, and welcome to Theatre Bites, essential theatre knowledge in minutes. Today, we're stepping into the witty, weepy world of 18th century theatre, where drama was both a sharp-tongued roast and a tearful moral lesson. In the early 1700s, theatre became a mirror to society, but not a flattering one. Comedy of manners was a hit genre of the time, clever, biting, and full of satire. These plays mocked the upper classes, their fake friendships, obsession with reputation, and chaotic love lives. Think fast-paced gossip, flirtation, and scandal, all dressed up in lace and lace-up boots. Playwrights like Sheridan, The School for Scandal, and Oliver Goldsmith, She Stoops to Conquer, filled the stage with witty characters who exposed the ridiculousness of social norms. Audiences loved it because, let's face it, nothing's funnier than watching people like you make a complete fool of themselves. But not everyone wanted to laugh at society. Some wanted to feel deeply. Enter the sentimental drama. Plays where characters suffered nobly, made good choices, and were rewarded with forgiveness and love. Instead of flawed anti-heroes, these stories gave us virtuous characters meant to inspire empathy. Playwrights like Richard Steele, The Conscious Lovers, created drama where emotion replaced irony and tears flowed freely, both on stage and in the stalls. This shift reflected the values of the growing middle class, who preferred morality over mockery. Of course, too much satire can make powerful people nervous. In 1737, the government passed the Licensing Act, which said, no new play could be performed unless it was first approved by the Lord Chamberlain. This law gave authorities control over content. It was a major blow to freedom of expression, and it remained in place for over 200 years. Satire mattered because it made theatre dangerous and therefore powerful. It held a mirror to society and said, look at how ridiculous you are. It exposed hypocrisy, challenged elitism, and gave audiences a way to laugh at the world around them, or maybe even question it. Theatre wasn't just for fun, it was a form of social commentary. That's why it needed controlling, and that's why it was so important. Whether you prefer comedy with claws or drama with dignity, the 18th century had it all: satire, sentiment, and serious style. Thanks for watching Theatre Bites, your shortcut to essential theatre knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And if there's a topic you'd like me to cover, then leave a comment or suggestion below. I'd love to hear what you would like next. Until then, see you in the next bite.